Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. It's nice and quiet out here, so I wanted to come out and take some pictures and a video of the Aspire series, and I wanted to talk about the exterior a little bit. We've got some features here, for example, a pier saver under every door. And what's the benefit of that? Well, they're going to add more stability underneath the doors and will actually keep you from having to add 2 extra piers per door. So that's going to save you some money on concrete. Also, you'll notice here that it seems to be missing a row of siding, but that's not true. We do that on purpose because we have moved the starter strip up. And the reason being is if you're having vinyl skirting on the bottom, your installer is going to want to, he would remove this anyways. So that's going to save him some time and inevitably save you some money. This Aspire series has our package added to it, package 1. It's a great addition and saves you some money as well on that. And in that package, you're going to see those pier savers. You're going to also see lineal trims or shutters. It's your choice around every window. And that's just a few of the features there. Let's go inside and see what we got. I'm not quite sure yet what we're going to be looking at, but let's check it out. Okay, coming into the front door. Oh, this is beautiful. Nice and light and bright. And this is, guys, this is the second home that I've jumped in and seen white appliances. I'm going to do some research once I get back from vacation, but check that out. Oh my gosh, that just looks really good. And when you add the light cabinetry and countertops, and now I'm guessing appliances, that it really brightens things up. So another part of that package that I was talking about is the staggered cabinetry. So you'll see instead of it going straight across, gotta find my finger here, it's gonna stagger a little bit. So that's what that is. Also, cabinet knobs are part of that package. And I believe this is a 16 by 68. Also the furnace door there. We call this the Madaryville. We do a few different sizes of this home, but here we go. We've seen the drama marble many times throughout the year. We've got Dustin White on the cabinets, and this hutch over here, that's a nice addition with some extra storage. We do have the reverse aisle going on, meaning we've got both doors on the same side. This is the second door coming into the laundry area, and I apologize, guys, it is a little dark on my camera. It's kind of a gloomy day here in Indiana, but we're getting through it. And I'm on vacation at 5 o'clock, so I'm okay, feeling really good. Had a great Christmas, hope you guys did as well. Here's bedroom 2, and standard in the homes comes lino throughout when we're talking about the Aspire series. You can add carpet to the bedrooms if you choose. Here's that second bath. And here, bed 3. Coming back to the other end of the home. Oh, perimeter heat. Coming back to the other end of the home. Mini blinds also. I love walking through these houses and just noticing the different options that they've added. Okay, here's the master bedroom, 46 by 61 window. That's pretty common, but check out that closet. Nice and large. Yes. And coming into the master, we've got an extended vanity there with a 3-bulb light strip above. And plenty of room for the walk-in shower back there. So, once again, this is the Madaryville, about 1,000 square feet, a little over, 1031, maybe 16 by 68. All white everything. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Look at this nice corner sink with a 30 by 36 window there. Come on, guys. Get rid of your mortgage. Start experiencing life. Come see me. Let's make it happen. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thank you for watching.